Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to reprogram your Nissan Maxima key fob. First, gather all the key fobs you want to program, including any existing ones. Make sure your vehicle's battery is in good condition, as a low battery can interrupt the process. Also, ensure all doors and windows are securely closed before you begin. This preparation helps ensure a smooth and successful reprogramming experience for all your remotes. Now let's get your Maxima into programming mode. Insert your key into the ignition and quickly remove it 6 times within a 10-second window. You don't need to turn the key, just insert and remove. Your hazard lights will flash twice, confirming the vehicle has entered programming mode. Immediately after the hazards flash, turn the key to the ACC position. This step is crucial for the next part of the process. With your car in programming mode, it's time to program each key fob. Take your first key fob and press any button on it just once. Do this within 5 seconds of turning the key to ACC. The hazard lights will flash a single time, confirming that this specific key fob has been successfully programmed. If you have more key fobs, repeat this exact step for each one, pressing a button on each individual remote. To exit programming mode, simply turn the ignition key to the OFF position. Then, remove the key completely from the ignition. This action saves all the programmed key fobs to your vehicle's system. Finally, take a moment to test each of your newly programmed key fobs. Check that they can lock and unlock the doors and activate any other functions they might have. Congratulations! You've successfully reprogrammed your Nissan Maxima key fobs.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.